Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Google slide on Google Slides. Okay, so here you can see I have 10 slides. So if I want to delete fourth one, I have to select. I have to navigate cursor on this. Just click right side of your button, your mouse button. Click right button of your mouse, and this delete option will become. Okay, so if you want to delete multiple slides, so you have to select slide, then hold the control key of your keyboard. Now you can select multiple slide, or you can also select, you know vertical, or sorry, you can select multiple slide as you want. Okay, and just click right side of on any slide and just click delete, or you can simply hit the delete button of your keyboard, then the both slide will be deleted. Okay, you can see I have only 8 slide now 7. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.